Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You guys have never known that I actually had two channels. One has 520 and this one has 5. I had the other one but I think it got deleted. Let me show you guys my other phone. Okay, I got my phone because this phone and this channel is my other phone. So here's my phone. I'm in YouTube right now and I'm gonna prove that I have another channel. See guys, see? This is 520. The name is preppy_queen. But after the queen, put the I next to the last in. So yeah. And if you guys don't believe me, you should believe me. Because if you think I'm lying, check my channel out then. Here's it. But you don't need to use that version, you can also use this version. Bye loves.